The Illinois legal system will soon undergo a major transformation after the state Supreme Court voted 5-2 to eliminate cash bail. 5 on your side's Holden Kerwicki has been gathering reaction from both sides of the aisle, and he joins us now with more. Holden.
Well, Mike, this is the same law that Madison County State's Attorney Tom Hain called the largest jailbreak in state history. However, supporters of the Safety Act called it the biggest victory for civil rights in the state since Obamacare.
After months of legal battles, the Illinois Supreme Court has spoken, and cash bail will soon be a thing of the past.
The implementation of the Pretrial Fairness Act will make Illinois the first state in the country to remove the price tag from the presumption of innocence.
While the court's decision is being praised by Democrats across the state,
today's ruling allows for determinations on pretrial detention to be made on a person's risk of harm versus their ability to access cash.
This is an historic civil rights victory that has become our state's version of Obamacare.
Republican lawmakers like Representative Blaine Willauer believes it will instead allow lawlessness to become the rule of the land.
We're going to be the only state in the country that's doing this, and there's a reason why the other states aren't doing this, and there's a reason why the states that were doing this are no longer doing this, because it doesn't work.
100 of the 102 state's attorneys in Illinois spoke out against the Safety Act.
These people in jail are not choir boys. They're not Boy Scouts. They're there because judges have already given them second, third, fourth, and fifth chances, and now the default rule is going to be to let them out.
However, supporters believe it eliminates what they call the penalty on poverty for those unable to pay cash bond.
We will no longer have to tell survivors and victims of crime that we don't know whether somebody will be able to be released the next night. This reform allows judges to make safety-based decisions that is individualized to a survivor of crime.
This was tried in New York City, and it was such an abject failure that they've backpedaled on it. So, you know, we've just got a bunch of politicians in the state that are trying to out-progressive each other, and it's not good for the citizens of Illinois.
The state of Illinois now has 60 days before the Safety Act takes effect on September 18th. However, I'm told those in jail unable to make bond will not simply be released from jail. They will have to request a petition for review, which could take weeks or even months to play out. Mike?